He said they got 200%, $200 off.
Oh yes, the account's in your name, right? So if you were interested, we have Apple Watches, $200 off. You'd end up paying around $17 a month for the watch after taxes. The watch is $330. We're good. $20 off. Oh, you have a Galaxy phone, right? So you would need a Galaxy Watch. The Galaxy Watches are free. It's no money up. We're giving those completely free. All you do is pay for the service on the watch, which is $10. You recording?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, I don't know if they have it though.